I need to confess, those boxes are empty because I already opened them. I just couldn't wait. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Xue. I do designer handbag reviews as well as reviews for skincare and beauty products. So if you are new here, welcome. I hope you will stay and subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content. Today we're gonna unbox two items I just purchased from Louis Vuitton. One of the pieces is actually very hard to find. My SA from the local store had to email a couple stores in order to get that for me. Finally, somebody from Short Hills, New Jersey called me back on Friday, and then I got this back on Saturday. I live by Philadelphia. It's very close to North Jersey, so within a day I got this hard to find Louis Vuitton piece. Another piece is a small wallet because now it's summer. I like to carry smaller purses. Now let's find out what I got. I already opened the boxes when I got the packages, but I have the pieces here. Let's start with the smaller one. This one is so cute. This might be the smallest wallet I've ever seen in my life. It's a wallet, it's not a card case. I love their desk bag. This is their micro wallet. It's so tiny, you all. It's super tiny. Let me show some comparisons. If you have the key pouch from Louis Vuitton, so that's the key pouch, and this is the wallet. The wallet is less wide than the key pouch. The length here is shorter than the key pouch, you can tell, and the width is about the same. This is even smaller than the key pouch. It might be a little bit thicker because it's a wallet, but this is so tiny. I like the button here. I chose the fuchsia interior because I like this color better than the other one. This one is made in Spain. I like this one. This one is different than the other wallet. Is the leather in here? It's very smooth, very soft. It feels very nice. I think that's why this wallet is a little bit more expensive considering the size. This one is priced at $500. And the Victorian wallet is only $75 more than this, but this wallet feels really soft. It feels softer than the other wallets I own from Louis Vuitton. It has a software card. I will probably put my driver's license here, maybe my insurance card, and inside there are 4 slots here for credit cards, and this compartment for cash. I do carry cash with me, at least $20–40 just in case. I like to go to a farmer's market by me, and sometimes it's just easier to pay cash. I also do carry my driver's license, my insurance card, 2 or 3 credit cards with me, so this wallet will do the job. For the size, for the price, it's $500 in the US. It's not cheap, I would say, but the key pouch I think is only 200 something. This one is 500. I can put credit cards plus cash and receipts in this wallet. I think this will be a lot more useful than a slim card case. It's just my opinion, and plus for some reason, I don't know why, this wallet feels softer than the other wallets I own from Louis Vuitton. I'm very happy with this. They also have the color black, but I think fuchsia is just beautiful. It's great for summer. I think it's great all year round. It's more feminine, so I picked this color. If you have the Chanel card holder, that's the comparison. It is smaller than the Chanel. I think smaller in all dimensions. Even though this is smaller, I think this can hold more stuff than the card case, and this is only $500. I really like this. If you have a Louis Vuitton store nearby, you can go check it out. Feel it, really try to feel it. It really feels different, I don't know why. Okay, my next item is really hard to find. My essay from the King of Prussia store couldn't find one in her store, so she contacted a couple stores. I don't know which ones, but the store from Short Hills Mall in New Jersey got me. That's how I scored this piece. I waited about 1 month until someone responded. I could have got it sooner if it weren't for the virus, but I'm very happy I have this. This one is $365 and it's cheaper than the micro wallet. So this is the mini pochette. I finally got this piece in the monogram canvas. How gorgeous is it? So mine is made in Paris. I really think for the size, for the price, it's really worth the money. It's cheaper than all the Louis Vuitton wallets. I think so. If you compare the size, this is the mini pochette, this is the micro wallet. This is just so mini compared to the mini pochette. They look so gorgeous together. I do like monogram. I also like demi-bean. Depends on the availability, depends on my mood. Sometimes I buy monogram, sometimes I buy demi-bean. So I got this one. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I think a lot of people own this one. Have the tags. Just one, but I think I could use it as a small pouch with me when I travel, or when I carry a bigger purse. I can put some personal items, maybe some makeup in there, or sometimes if I just go out for some errands, I can just grab it. I have the key pouch here. I can definitely fit my key pouch in there with my car key. And then maybe I will put some cash, put some credit cards. Then I can just carry this with me for some errands. I'm so happy, you all. I'm gonna give you a closer look. Only beautiful and cute. I really think they are very cute together. I can definitely put it in there without a problem. So I highly recommend getting the mini pochette. I'm sure this is most people's wish list. I'm very happy I scored it. In the future, if I see this in the demi-bean, I probably will get that. I also like the chain. I can change it to make it like a wristlet. I've seen people do that. I think this way is also very cute. After the recent price increase, I hope they're not gonna increase the price anytime soon, because I still have a few pieces on my wish list. I hope I could get most of them by next year. So very happy. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm very happy and I hope you enjoyed, and I also hope if you have anything on your wish list, I hope you will be able to get your item soon. If you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment to support me. If you have any questions, please also let me know. I always reply to the comments below. I will also link all my designer handbags videos in the description box, so make sure you check out my luxury handbag playlist. I did a couple videos on Louis Vuitton handbags already. I have more coming. So stay tuned. If you're new, think about staying and subscribing to my channel, and make sure you come back to my channel. I do weekly uploads every Friday. Sometimes I have bonus on Tuesday. So make sure you come back and check out my new videos every week. Now I hope you will enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you very soon. Bye bye and take care.